Me and Carl about to go hang out. Ain't we, bud? Ain't we? Yeah, we are. Go shopping, doing some cool stuff.
Thank you. He don't bite.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. That was pretty funny. He's cool. He ain't poisonous, he's fine. Man! Thank you guys.
He's your pet.
Yeah, he's my buddy.
Okay.
Thank you. What? What? It's okay. Kind of jumpy for who knows? Now that we're finished eating, go do a little shopping. Well, could just be window shopping, but you'll see some of the reactions I get with the snake around my neck. It's a boy. I work for animal control. Some guy moved out and left, and his dad was like, I'm not gonna feed it, I'm not gonna touch it, I'm not gonna do nothing with it.
Oh my God, I wanna touch it.
You can touch him, he's fine.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you should see
Really?
him. Yeah, he's very cool. I've had him for almost 2 years now.
Really?
So,
Can I hold him?
sure. I'll get a picture of it. See? Other people like them to be matches. You can touch it.
No, like I think he bite. Like oh.
He actually really don't.
No, that's his ass you looking at.
Stop. Shut up. Oh.
Look, I'll hold his head right up here.
Oh my.
Nah, that's nasty. Nah, don't bring it.
Hey, he's cool.
Look, you don't want to look at that. What is that? Like, have he ever bit you before?
No. This one has never bitten me, and
Oh, you said that one.
I have a second one that was little, and he was all nervous, or she was, and she bit me once, but
What kind of snake is it?
just a little python.
Oh. So like, when it bit you, you had to go to the doctor?
No. These ain't poisonous. They got little bitty teeth like a lizard, so it hurts, but
Oh God, look at us. Oh, we all
Already picture before.
I'm thinking about getting one too. Like that is neat. Like
well, I'll tell you this: I got a dog, a cat, and
Oh, you're an animal lover.
I work for animal control. And
oh really?
some older guy showed up.
My husband.
He goes, my son moved out and left it. I ain't gonna feed it, I ain't gonna touch it, I ain't gonna do nothing with it. He said, all I'm gonna do is let it die in this cage, because I ain't even gonna go out to the woods and let it loose, because if he ain't in there, I ain't gonna be near it. And he ended up just dropping it off at the shelter.
Hey, how you doing today?
All right. Question. Florida Gator hat.
Okay, I had to look at your arm a second time. Like, wait a minute.
It's just
Was
Carl.
you hurt?
No, it's just
I
Carl.
had to do a second step and say, well, Florida Gators, but you know, I'm an older hat.
Oh, I know. I buy teams that beat Georgia just to tick off all my family.
Because I'm an Auburn fan.
Oh, I got Nick Marshall's autograph on this one.
Oh, wow.
So
Unfortunately, I don't have anything Florida Gators.
it's okay. Hi. How y'all been? Yeah,
Is he she?
it's a he. Well, we're really not too sure because he won't let anybody sex him, but
Does he like people?
I had some lady holding him the other day. You want to hold him?
I just want to pet.
Oh, you're fine.
Hi, Corpus.
I don't know you.
Oh yeah, that's Carl. You can't take a dog everywhere, but I've bought in every store. No one's kicked me out yet.
It's hard to notice it. I mean, I thought it was there for a minute.
No. It's fun. You want them?
Sure.
No, take a picture. Oh, Carl. Is it chill? Yeah. I've been walking around with my buddy. I had some chick come up to me. She's like, I want to hold it. I was like, okay. And then she called her husband and said, can we get one? I may have started that divorce. And we're back home. Had fun. More positive reactions than I thought. Not as many people were scared of it, but it's pretty fun. Me and Carl had fun.